left turn at the traffic light. This bend here, we'll do left and right here. Good. Guys, if you have anything for me to cover for you in particular, put in the comment below. That's where we have most of our video topic coming from. And if you haven't met before, my name is Ben with Pierre Driving School. So in this channel, we are everything about driving. If you're new here, you can consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. In this channel, we post it 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Every 6 a.m. in the morning, we do have a lesson answering the question that you guys have. We'll be answering those questions early in the morning on the first hours. We are giving lesson here from 6 a.m. 7 days a week, all the way to 11 in the night. If you want to check our website, pierrepauldraiving.com, link in the comment below. All right, we're doing left and right. We're doing left and right turn here. We do some driving observation and see things that offer us to improve. Okay. At the traffic light coming up, we're making a right turn. We signal the turn, okay? We mirror right, shoulder right, and we line up to take the turn. When you make the turn, you follow where to the closest lane. Is the one lane sheet here. Hazard is on the head. We follow the hazard here. Clear, then we go. Always forward planning all your moves. Before you fully engage in the accelerator, glance on both corners, make sure nobody is coming in your side to harm you in any way. Okay, this guy behind me is speed across speed. Never trust anybody. Always be on the lookout here. See, before fully accelerate, make sure that nobody is coming on any side of my car. As a new student, you must keep in the middle of the street or to the right side at all the time. Unless you're making a left turn, then you want to be far to the left or in the left lane. And when you finish turning, you must fall. You must fall to the closest lane you turn into. And quick, after you recover from the turn, make sure that you fall on the right side or the middle of the street. Okay? You stop where you can see the tire of the car in front of you on the ground. See? So I'm talking about always expected, unexpected, okay? Like they always said, human always have the right of way, okay? So we let them be. At the light coming up, we're making a left turn. Signal the turn. Mirror left, shoulder left, and go through with the turn. At the light coming up, right turn. Shoulder right, beautiful. Fall to the closest right lane. We're gonna make a left and at the light. For that reason, we have to go back to the left lane. Mirror left, shoulder left, and bring it over. Traffic light coming up, we're making a right turn. We signal the turn, mirror right, shoulder right, and go with the turn. Signal all of your attention. Go around to the right. Right turn at the light. Mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn. You guys notice, signal all of your attention, all of it. Anything, guys, you want me to cover in particular, please put in the comment below. Making a left turn here. Coming to a U-turn. Thank you. As you see, I make a left turn, turn into a U-turn. It requires some skill now. Okay? Going to be parallel parking here. Move it quick because the bus is coming our way. There you have it, folks. This was the lesson here in Brooklyn, New York. Okay, been with Pierre Driving School. Until then, keep practicing. Anything you want me to do in particular, put it in the comment below. This is been with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye, folks.